Search Smart. Combine keywords using parentheses. You can use parentheses to combine multiple keywords to be searched. For example, design and skyscrapers or high-rise. Keywords in the parentheses make a set, which can then combine with other keywords to be searched. For example, this is your topic. This is how the combining works. In many databases, the search boxes act as parentheses. This is in Scopus. Often your search with parentheses will be shown along with your search results. In Scopus, it is at the top of the screen. Here's another example from Academic Search Premier. The search query in this database is on the side. If you need further assistance, please contact the HKUST Library.